Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you something today. It's something I've had for about a year I've been playing with, and it is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, currently we are filming on a DJI Osmo action camera. The Osmo Pocket's pretty slick. You open it up, somebody stole it. No, I'm just kidding. It comes with a cord and some extra goodies in it. The nice thing about it is it's a real small, like, selfie stick, and it works really well. I've done some videos with it and just played with it, and it's very small. I mean, and I don't have it. Let's see if I can figure it out, because I have so many cameras that I use. Maybe it's that one. There it goes. All right, so it just does its self-centering thing, and I can tilt it and all this, and it just kind of looks and stays steady, and it's nice and smooth, and it's got the small display on the back. I did add this. It's an accessory that you can get for it. Highly recommended if you do get this. When I ordered this camera, that accessory was not available yet. It'll allow you to pan up and down, things like that, and you can switch it so that you can use the wheel to spin it side to side. It's been a great little camera. I've used it for many things. I can mount it on my bike, etc., and ride my bike and all that stuff. It's pretty reasonable in price for what you get. It's, you know, it's a mechanical gimbal as opposed to a digital gimbal like the camera that I'm using right now, the Osmo Action, which I will talk to you about that eventually. The Osmo Action's really good, but the DJI Osmo Pocket, I don't work for them. I don't, you know, have anything to do with them. I've owned the camera for almost a year now, and I kind of wait before I do reviews on things, just so that I'm giving people the real information. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it today. I hope that you found this information useful, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe down at the bottom of the video, and I'll be putting out more information on other products. So hope you have a wonderful day, and please stay safe. It's a COVID season out there. Take care. Bye-bye.